Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to go over what NFC is and how to use it on your iPhone. Now, you might have heard other people say there's an NFC reader built into your iPhone, or you might have seen other people paying at a checkout station using their phone. I'm going to walk you through everything there is to know about NFC. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is what NFC is. You can see it says it uses magnetic field induction to enable communication between devices, like your iPhone with another device, like an NFC checkout or an NFC device. You can see if I scroll down, it's commonly used for contactless payments, but also NFC tags, etc. You probably have gone to a grocery store or coffee shop and checked out, and you'll be able to see something that looks like this, a kiosk, and it says present your card, and you can either insert it or swipe it. But you've also probably seen this symbol on a lot of checkouts for Stripe and at grocery stores and coffee shops, stuff like that. What this is the NFC symbol. So you can use the little chip that's built into your credit card or debit card, but you can also use your iPhone to be able to check out and pay. I'm going to show you two ways to be able to pull up that NFC reader on your iPhone. The first way is to take your finger and swipe down and type in shortcuts. Tap on the Shortcuts app at the top left. Tap on Automation at the bottom center. Tap on New Automation midway down. And then just scroll down and tap on NFC. From here, tap on Scan at the top right, and it will immediately start to scan for an NFC tag nearby. This is helpful if you have a physical NFC device that you wanted to connect with your iPhone. However, this isn't the same as paying for something when you go to a grocery store or coffee shop or a restaurant if you wanted to pay with your iPhone. To be able to do that, instead of doing that, what you're going to do is double click the side button. So when you're looking at your iPhone, the button on the right, if you press it twice quickly, you'll be able to see it pops up and uses your Face ID, and it says hold near reader. If you don't have anything that pops up here, essentially you don't have a credit card or debit card built in or added to your Apple Wallet. So just go to your Apple Wallet and add that credit card or debit card. But now all you need to do is hold your phone near an NFC reader, essentially this kiosk, something that looks like this, on a checkout, and then your phone will automatically recognize that it's right next to a payment NFC reader, and then it will just pay for it using the built-in or default credit card or debit card in your Apple Wallet app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.